Hey, hello, my name's Susan Dick. I'm head teacher here at Ysgol Bodfari. Today we're having a special day to celebrate British Science Week. So we're looking at the STEM subjects, and we're also doing that through the theme of Harry Potter to celebrate the 20 years of Harry Potter. So throughout the day the children are having lots of special activities. They're having herbology, looking at plants, they're having engineering activities, they're having lots and lots of mathematical reasoning, so you're bringing all of those subjects in. This afternoon they'll be having a potions lesson with one of our parent governors who's a chemistry teacher, and they've all been really excited. As they've come through the wall in the morning, they've been thoroughly excited about what's happening. They didn't know exactly what to expect, but as the day goes on they're really entering into the spirit of things.
The children have been sent a letter from J.K. Rowling herself, basically just thanking us for taking part in such an amazing way in her 20th anniversary celebrations for the Philosopher's Stone, and thanking the children for getting so actively involved. And it's been wonderful that we've been able to take on this sort of Harry Potter themed STEM Day challenge today.
All of the teachers have dressed up. They've all really enjoyed doing the Harry Potter theme. And this is all about British Science Week. It's the fact that we're a flagship UK school for the British Science Association. They've recognised us, they've provided us with a grant to make everything possible today. But we're just one of many schools and organisations that are doing this week, throughout the whole week, with the aim of inspiring children, the next generation of children, to be scientists, technicians, engineers and mathematicians.